Yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Ian and welcome back to the third part of the Pokemon versus Box Break video series. So the last part we're going to be opening the Fire and Water booster box. So I believe in this one the foils are supposed to be, I think it's just the dark Pokemon. So we get the Karen's Umbreon, Tyranitar, Morty's Murkrow, and Price's Sneasel, I believe, should be the foils. Also, one of the better commons out of the entire set is Lance's Charizard, I believe, should be in this since it's the fire type box. So hopefully we can pull a couple of those for you so you can take a look at them. And yeah, let's get right into it. Okay. Just slide that right off. So here's a little bit closer view of the box. Right, let's go ahead and get our packs out. Okay. And we'll get our box back here. So, alright, so as usual, we got 10 packs that are 30 card half decks. And each pack has 2 foils. One of them is going to be the Pokemon, and the other one is going to be a energy. So I believe for this one, we should be getting the Darkness energy as our foil energy in this one. Go ahead and slide that right off. Alright, and we are going to start off this video with a Karen's Tyranitar. Awesome. I really like the Karen cards out of this, so hopefully these are the majority of what we pull. Although I do need a Gem Mint quality Morty's Murkrow because the one I currently have graded is only at a 9. So I'm hoping I can get that kind of quality out of this box. Alright, so, and then it doesn't look like these cards are as stuck together as some of the other boxes, so that's good. We can go through them a little bit quicker. So we have Karen's Gyarados, her Jinx, Misty's Lapras, which is a really cool looking card. Got a couple of those stuck. Price's Delibird. There's Lance's Gyarados. And then we have a Blaine's Typhlosion, Karen's Houndoom, which looks really cool. Morty's Ninetales. Oh, and I guess we have some normal Pokemon, or flying Pokemon. So we have Faulkner's Fearow, Delibird, and I think this is supposed to be Pidgeot. It's kind of hard to tell with the way the camera, or the picture is. Alright, so get those over here to the side. And we'll go ahead and get into pack number 2. Oh, awesome. Never thought I'd get to pull one of these myself, but here we are. We got a Karen's Umbreon. Man, that is really cool. Let's go ahead and sleeve it up. Just gonna look at the condition here real quick. It looks really nice. Awesome stuff. There you go, guys. Karen's Umbreon. Very nice card. And we'll go ahead and sleeve up this Darkness energy as well. And then go through these commons real quick. Just trying to unstick any of the ones. So no Charizard yet, but I'm sure he will be around here somewhere. Alright, so we're going to get another Karen's Tyranitar. Very cool. I will not say no to that card. That is a very sharp looking card, and if I can snag one of those in a black label, I will be thrilled. So, very cool stuff. Cool. And it looks like we managed to get Karen's Blastoise out of this one. Very nice. And the other commons. Oh, there we go. Lance's Charizard. Very nice. I'm actually going to sleeve that up too. Really good condition on that too. Okay. And we'll go ahead and get into the next pack. So this is pack number 4. Let's see if we can get ourselves a Murkrow. Pretty good at pulling or saying what I'm going to pull next. So we have Morty's Murkrow. Awesome. Yeah, so that was the one card I'm definitely needing to get in a 9.5 quality. So hopefully this guy can pull it. I think he can. Yeah, so I think we may be in luck. There you go. Here's a better view of them, all sleeved up. And we'll sleeve up this energy here. And go through the commons real quick, see if there's any more Charizards or anything to note out. Don't see anything in particular, so we're going to go ahead and get right into the next pack. So I think the last foil that we just need to pull and to round out the entire set would be Price's Sneasel. So, and if the ratios hold true to how the other two boxes have been, I should at least pull one and maybe two of Price's Sneasel. And there we go. We got the last foil. So we've managed to pull, I think if not the entire set, give or take some of the commons or uncommons. We have definitely pulled every foil out of the boxes, so that's pretty cool, getting to finish the entire set. Very nice. So there is a little bit closer look of him. Put him to the side. Go ahead and sleeve up our Darkness Energy. Let's go hunt for a Charizard. Nope. Don't see one in this pack. That's okay. Alright, so we are halfway through this box and we have managed to open up all of the foils, so anything here now is just extra, so hopefully we can get a couple more Umbreons, because that is, I think, if not the most expensive card from the set, definitely one of the highest ones. Jeez. Or we're just going to keep pulling Tyranitars, which, like I said, I'm never going to complain about pulling a Tyranitar, because that is just an awesome looking card. Plus, he's one of my more favorite Pokemon in general, so yeah, T-Tar. Okay, let's see what we got on here. We got a Lance's Gyarados, that's pretty cool. Don't see any Charizard swag. Nope. All right. You definitely wanted to make sure that you pulled Tyranitar, that is for sure. And we got ourselves another Morty's Murkrow. Great, I will take that because the better chance I have at getting that 9.5 or possibly a 10, I will take. So just looking to finish out that 9.5 set of foils from this. Nope, no Charizard out of that. Wow, he's pretty tough to pull, actually. I do know that in some of the other boxes when I was organizing the Grass Lightning one, for example, like, I think there were 1 or 2 commons that I actually only pulled 1 of, so it's very possible that he is short printed, if you will, or made harder to get than some of the other commons, which would make sense because he is Charizard, and that's just kind of how it seems to happen with the production on these. Oh, wow. Oh, they definitely did not make Tyranitar short print. That is for sure. T-Tar! Hey, there we go. We did get a Charizard out of this pack. That's pretty cool. Pulling Charizard and a Tyranitar out of the same pack. Very nice. Alright, we got 2 more packs to go. Hopefully we should at least get 1 more of each if the ratios are staying the same to the other boxes that I've already opened. So hopefully we get 1 more Karen's Umbreon and 1 more Price's Sneasel. Or we're just gonna go against the odds and get another Murkrow. Alright. Okay. So let's see here. I like that Houndoom. That's really cool looking. Alrighty, y'all. This is our last pack, so hopefully we can get another Umbreon. That's something I would really like to get another of. But at this point, can't really complain. We've gotten a ton of good stuff. So last foil. Alright, well, at least we got a Price's Sneasel, so we got something different than Tyranitar or Murkrow. So we'll go ahead and sleeve him up. Hopefully some of these can pull a black label for us. I do know when I opened my Neo 2 box, I managed to get 2 black labels out of that and a couple 10s, so hopefully this is along those same lines and we can get something cool out of it. That's a cool one. I don't think I've seen that one come up yet, so Karen's Flareon is really nice looking too. Cool. Alright, so let me organize this real quick and then we will go through what all we got. Alright, so we have the 2 Price's Sneasels, the 3 Morty's Murkrows, the 4 Karen's Tyranitars, and the 1 Karen's Umbreon. But all in all, and then of course we get our 10 foil Darkness Energies one for each pack. And some of the better commons, we got the 2 Lance's Charizards. So overall, this has been an awesome experience. Like I said in my original video, I'm not really one to keep boxes sealed. I really enjoy getting the chance to open them, go for the experience, and then also this is probably the easiest way to get like gem mint cards and everything like that than having to constantly track them down or look at pictures online that may not be exactly true or just kind of hard to tell. So I much prefer doing this. It's been a lot of fun opening these packs, and something I probably won't ever really get to do again, so very happy to go through all this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit longer than my normal videos are, but again, this is a little bit of a special circumstance, so take care, guys.